Welcome to LittleNeuron, your personal parenting guide for one-stop solution for every parenting need. How to train your baby to sleep without cry. Tip 1. Schedule. A proper and consistent daytime nap schedule. It will help in regulating good nighttime sleep. Tip 2. Bedtime routine. Fun bath. Book reading with mommy. 10 minutes playtime with papa. Bed. Tip 3. Comfortable atmosphere and surroundings. Comfortable and breathable clothes, soft music, make the bedroom a peaceful place with dim light. Tip 4. Early bedtime. Trying an early bedtime like 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. as it is very difficult to get a tired baby to sleep. Tip 5. Patience is the key. Responding to every sound may disturb the baby's sleep. Since every baby is different, so one should be flexible and should choose a strategy which works best for the baby and parents.